Happy birthday to you. I love you. Birthday Mama Glory to you. Birthday Mama Glory to you.
Birthday Mama Glory. Have a great and long life. Thank you for everything and love you as always.
Happy birthday, Mama Glory.
Take care of yourself and God bless always.
I wish you have a lifetime smile, happiness, and love. I pray to God will grant you long life and good health, more blessing and more birthdays to come. I love you and I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Mama Glory. We love you so much. God bless you.
Happy birthday Mama Glory.
Birthday manang, happy 70th birthday. Hanggang nagkakangkanayon di tayo mo.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday Manang. Agpalain ka. Agsakitan gawin kakit din. Happy 70th birthday Mama Glory. We love you.
70th birthday, Mama Glory. Happy Sangyop.
Happy birthday! Happy Sangyop!
Oo, pinasumpaw.
Happy 70th birthday, Manang. Ingat ka dita.
God bless.
We love you. We miss you.
We love you.
We love you!
Happy birthday,
Adeng.
Happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come.
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie Glo. Know that the Lord will be the one to sustain you even in your old age. We know that the Lord is faithful. He will be with you all the way and grant the deepest desires of your heart. At nandito lang din kami. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa sa ating family. You are one of the most generous person I know. And I know that the Lord will be the one to bless the deepest desire of your heart. Happy 70th birthday, Auntie. And cheers to a longer, satisfied life.
Happy birthday, Auntie! We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Manang Glory. Wishing you all the best. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Manang Insan Glory. Agawid kan ta makiasawa ni Kakayan. Sapay la kuma ta nakaradkad ka nga kanayon. Anadam ta bagbagim. Ta agpapada tayon nga umububing. Happy 70th birthday, Manang Glory. I love you.
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie Glory. Sapay kumata, bendisyon ang nakapay ni Apoti. Napaot abiyag, ken adupay nga ragsak. We love you and we miss you. From Ibay and Agtarap family in Canada.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Mama Glory. Wishing you good health and enjoy your day.
Wishing you good health, Mama Glory. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday.
What do you say? Thank you.